Plug Power got smashed on Friday. And I don't think many people saw it, but the technicals told you that this was going to happen. So this was a monthly buyer's level at $8. You had the rally, base and candle, and then the rally out of the zone. And when price did come back to that zone in June, May-ish, we did get a nice bounce, roughly a 50% bounce, but the momentum and the trend was still pointing down. So when prices closed on the monthly chart below the lower end of the zone in October, that meant that there was more downside risk, because this extended range green candle, within this candle, there are really no buyers until you get and have gotten to this level here. So let's kind of create that zone. And we'll call this 350. So why did the stock go down 40%? Well, let's get right into it. So Plug Power stock fell 40% on Friday, closing at $3.53 per share after the hydrogen fuel cell developer posted weaker than expected results, but that wasn't it. And issued a going concern that regarding its potential inability to fund operations over the next year. That's what kind of caused the price to go down that much. In a filing published late Thursday, it projects that its existing cash and available for sale and equity securities will not be sufficient to fund operations over the next 12 months. So at this point, if they don't raise more capital, they'll be out of business by the end of 2024. Plug Power, which creates fuel cells and devices that produce hydrogen, posted a loss of 47 cents per share for the third quarter, steeper than the 30% share as Wall Street was expecting. Net revenue for the quarter came in at 199 million, shy of the 200 million expected by analysts. Company's net loss in the quarter totaled 284 million. This is what the CEO had to say. This was a difficult quarter. Over the past several months, there have been enormous challenges associated with the availability of hydrogen, primarily due to downed plants, including their facility in Tennessee and temporary plant outages across the entire hydrogen network. The CFO had to say the following. He played down the going concern, warning the company's ability to raise financing during the earnings call. He said the language that we have included is oftentimes driven by accounting standards and how you have to evaluate it and manage it. It's a lot more conservative, obviously, than what we feel like. But I have a $5 billion balance sheet that's unlevered, meaning I really don't have any debt. So we still are extremely confident about the range of parties and solutions that we're working with. So what are the Wall Street saying? Got a couple of folks, analysts on Wall Street. They state the following. While we believe Plug Power can cycle past its current cash flow issues, the current operating and capital markets environments are challenging. Again, high interest rate environment. JP Morgan had to say the following. The analysts downgraded the stock to neutral and lowered its price target to $6 from $10 per share. Again, so prices are sitting now in a monthly buyer's level, but there's no real volume if you look at it on the weekly chart. And this is not the greatest price structure formation of the zone, as you do have a whole lot of trading to the left, which signifies that this is not really a level of interest. However, because it is a bigger time frame zone, it's possible that we can get a reaction like we did up at $8. So just kind of cycling through the price action. This was a nice zone. It didn't work out. Price went to the lower zone. I would anticipate prices pausing here because it is a big monthly zone. Are the lows in? Don't know. But look how at this dollar level, you have price bounce off it a couple of times. Can we get to $1? It's very possible. Be interested to see how Plug Power's price action transpires over the coming weeks. But the whole environment is down, and so I won't be surprised, come January, this level is breached, but at the same time, I won't be surprised if this level holds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.